Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Class 6 lecture number first title More on Windows 7. Lesson number 2. Listen to More on Windows 7. Windows has many utility programs for day-to-day applications and entertainment. These additional programs are known as accessories like calculator, notepad, window media player, sound recorder, and system tools. Means Windows has many utility programs for day-to-day application and entertainment. Means this applications program is called accessories, and in this accessories have calculator, notepad, Windows Media Player, sound recorder, and system tool, etc. First, discuss here Windows Media Player. Microsoft Windows Media Player is used to play and organize digital media files, audio, and video on a computer and internet. We can listen to radio stations from all over the world, play and copy CD, DVD, create or own CD, DVD, and copy music and video to portable devices. Means Windows Media Player is a Microsoft software. It is used to play and organize digital files, means audio and video on a computer and internet. Just like we listen radio from any station from the world, through Windows Media Player you can play and copy CD, DVD, create your own CD or DVD through Windows Media Player. Means how to open Windows Media Player? First you click the all start button, then go to all program, and after that go to accessories option, and after that you click Windows Media Player. When you click Windows Media Player, the Windows Media Player look like this. Means how to open Windows Media Player? First you click the start button, then go to all program, and after that you click accessories option and you click Windows Media Player. When you click Windows Media Player, then Windows Media Player appear like this on your screen. Next, rip. Copy CD to your computer. Means any data have in your CD, you can copy from CD to computer. We can copy songs from our favorite music CD, DVD onto our computers with Windows Media Player. When we rip music, we are copy songs from CD to computer. After the songs have been copied to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player to play and organize the song, create playlist, and copy music to a portable device. Means through Windows Media Player you can easy way to copy all data of your CD to computer, and after that you create your playlist and play your music. Here given the option rip. It's how to perform this activity. Click the start button, point to all program, and then click the on Windows Media Player. You open your Windows Media Player, and after that insert an audio CD in CD drives. You will see the list of songs presented on your CD in the Windows Media Player. Means when you insert your CD in your CD drive, then here you show the all list of your Windows Media, means all list of songs in your CD show here. And after that clear the checkbox next to any song that you do not want to rip. You can use the checkbox at the top of the list to select and clear all the checkbox at once. Means here given the checkbox, means your song list show in the form of checkbox. You can select your favorite songs through checkbox, and after that you copy. If you do not need any song, then you can not click here. Means if you click, the checkbox is selected, means those particular song you want to copy. Through this, click on a picture to select it and double click on its preview. We get various buttons to the bottom of the picture that help us to manage the picture. For example, view the previous and next image, magnifying, they reduce the size, rotate it clockwise. You will find the various buttons on the bar above the thumbnail, providing function like view a pictures and show the burn picture to CD. Means here you can also arrange your pictures in different size. Here given the view options where you can arrange large, small, details, different types of pictures. Next one is the disk cleanup. If you want to remove the number of unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up disk space and to help your computer run faster, use disk cleanup. Means disk cleanup means if you want to clear your memory, there are so many unnecessary unused files taking some space. Through disk cleanup you can easy way to clean your memory. It removes the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties the recycle bin files and other items that are not being used for a long time. Means just like in your mobile phone have a clean apps where you can easy to run, and after that you clean some apps and you find the memory. Just like disk cleanup is also used clean your memory when you not use and disk space already have taken. Then through the disk cleanup you free up your disk space and remove the temporary internals and downloaded program files to recycle bin and other will not been used for a long times. Then your memory is free. And before the disk cleanup, this one is the process of burning. Means first one is you copy CD to computer, and this one is the from computer to CD, means burn process. And here given the pictures folder. If you want to burn any CD, means burn means you want to make a CD. If you have a favorite song list, if you want to create a CD of your favorite song list, then you can easy way to create through the burn process. And Windows Media Player have a burn process where you can easy way to burn. Means first one you insert blank disk, blank CD and select all content, means all list, all songs list, and after that you click the CD option and the one option appear burn. When you click the burn, then your CD is process for making. Means one by one all CD copy on blank CD, and after that process is completed, your CD outside of the drive, and it means your CD is burn and create your own song video. Through this you can easy way to create a mini CD. Like if you have any CD, if you want to create 2 or 3 copy of the CD, then you can easy way to create through the burn process of Windows Media Player. and this is the disk cleanup. Through disk cleanup you can clean your unwanted memory and free your space. Next one is the more on Windows 7. Microsoft has designed Windows 7 to specify our everyday tasks. It works the way we want and make new things possible. The silent feature of Windows 7 are as follow. Touch screen, no more mouse. Windows 7 provides touch screen. With a touch sensitive screen hardware and Windows 7 software, we can use our finger to browse online, flip through photo albums and stuff files and folder. Using touch screen, we can use even finger paint in the paint software. Means through Windows 7 provide touch screen facility just like in your mobile. Through you can use a finger and play any audio, video, create any folder like this. So you can also use touch screen in Windows 7. Hopefully our students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.